Hi, today I'll show you how to script notes in your private workspace while recording on SibMe using your iPad or tablet in split screen mode. Log into the SibMe app on your tablet. Once inside the app, tap the green plus icon. Then tap Start Sync Notes and select between video or audio. In this case, we are going to select video. The record screen will appear. Rotate the device to landscape mode to record. Finally, tap the red record button to start recording. Make sure you're logged into the SibMe web version on your laptop. On the home screen on the media section or from your workspace, click the Sync Notes tile to access the page to script your timestamp notes. You will notice a black video player with a timer and a text box below. You can now start scripting in the text box while simultaneously recording from your device. Once you've finished typing your note, press Enter to quickly post it or use the cursor to add a note. The timestamp notes you add on the SibMe app will match the recording time on the iPad or tablet device and sync after you're finished. To end the recording, tap the red record button. The video that you recorded will automatically upload to your workspace, and the timestamp notes will automatically sync with the video timeline. Now for the exciting part, AI. Select your uploaded video. You will see the transcription and the AI reports. Now click the AI Insights button. Next, click the Prompt tab and choose the framework you want to apply. In this example, we're using the T-Test framework, but you have a lot of different options you can use. And that's it. You've just made an accurate and time-saving observation using SibMe. Thanks for watching, and thank you for using SibMe.